In this video, I will talk about Rembrandt Lighting. This is an artistic, very dramatic, classic light setup, well known because of the painter Rembrandt, where it's get this name from. You see this triangle under the eye in the shadow, and this is the characteristic for this kind of lighting. So what you need is a rather harsh light source, and you need to position it in a way that the nose creates that shadow that is actually merged into the shadow of the dark side of the face. So this light is on the side. So let's move this light so we can see the effect. So you see there is just a small angle where this shadow opens up. And if you move it further, then the shadow of the nose is actually not merged with the shadow of the side here. So it's not Rembrandt anymore. So it's just really a small angle where it's possible to get that light setup, which also means it's not possible for the model to move around a lot because this will kill the light. Before I show this, I will show that it's also possible to get that lighting with a softbox. So I have this larger light source which creates the same effect, creates also a little bit light on the background, but it's less powerful than when you do it with a really harsh light or even with a bare bulb if you want to. So without any light modifier. Speaking about the position of the model and the light source, it's very important. So what's possible is to move the head to the side, but as soon as you turn the head, these shadows are not merged anymore, or the shadow is just one shadow, so the triangle is gone, and then the dramatic of the light setup is completely gone. Also, if you move the head up or move it to the side, is a problem. So this is one of the things that is limiting this light setup, is that you can only create this light setup for a certain pose. So for example, if you want to have it for this pose, you need to move the light source more to the back so you get the same effect. Or if you want to have it for this, you need to move it also a little bit down. So this is the limiting factor, but still it's a very dramatic light. And if done right, this creates a really nice lighting for portraits. And I recommend to try it out for everyone, because you don't need a lot of space, you don't need a lot of equipment. It's just one light source. You need a modeling light or a continuous light for this, so you can really set this up and direct the model to move forward or backwards, so it can actually create that certain look with that triangle under the eye. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, just post it below this video. If you have any recommendations or further informations, just post it under the video. I will also share the setup in the set.a.light community, so you can download this and play around with it. It's very it's fun to play with it. And if you want to know more about set.a.light or more about light setups, subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for getting notifications, and have a nice day. This was Stefan for set.a.light.